So this is our hidden bed, now ready and installed in the factory display area in Al Quoz 1 Dubai, manufactured by CASA-ELAN. Varsha will now demonstrate the final features of the bed. The hidden bed comes with a desk attachment. Whatever you keep on the desk remains as it is when you open the bed. You could keep a glass of water, you could keep a tea set, nothing will spill. Once you open the bed, the desk goes straight down as it is, and you have a single bed good for a child to sleep on. Once you close the bed, you have access to a desk which is good enough for 2 people. This hidden bed comes as a bunk bed, so there is enough space for 2 children. There's one on top. Varsha is happy to climb on top and show us what it looks like. There it is. How cool is that? We are now going to be displaying these wall beds in a showroom called MHD in Muscat, Oman. Varsha will be there to show all the features in Muscat after 2 weeks. You can contact her. All details will be on our Facebook page and our website wallbedsdubai.com, and our Facebook page is CASA-ELAN Wallbeds. You can check it online.